Well, abafethu sanibonani emakhaya. Dumelang absheng. Good morning. It's another day, fresh morning. Siyagodola ke kodwa kancane ngala eThekwini. Bafethu niyazi kangihambi ngedwa igama lehlelo lethu bathi Dango Disc Podcast. I'm always with the legend uSicelo Zuma. Msholozi.
Ngibingelele ngibingela abalaleli today. Kuzoba nzima kakhulu. We back to basic again. But ngifuna ukuthi today I'm coming here to talk about the boy that is taking 2 taxis.
Okay.
Taking 2 taxis to come to Pinetown and train. The boy that is taking 3 taxis to go to Durban from Embo is going to Durban to train. He's taking 3 taxis. Today I'm not just coming here, but I'm coming here to share and also to, as we always do podcast here, to trying to educate. So it's very important. So today I'm not just here, but I'm coming to not to talk about most PSL only in the last end, but now I want to talk about the boy that we're discovering, the boy that is still training in barefoot, where this boy is going to be taken to another level.
Bola la Dustin ngasekhaya emva kwendlu.
Enjalo ngempela.
Nomsholo siyabonga kakhulu guys, ningakhohlwa njalo ukuthi iDango Disc Podcast sisakazela bukhoma Pinecrest Pine Creek. So nisondele guys, akhona ama special mangabunala ikhadi le family ba konje
ikhadi lesicelo elibhaliwe ukuthi isicelo you get 10% discount. We also have a family card but what is important ile lasesicelo right now, which is a card that is personally built for ingane that are part of isicelo and a part of understanding isicelo, how do we operate.
No, please guys, nisondeleke breakfast ikhona, so shaya nuts manje as little as
possible.
No, asingene kuyona. Siyabonile ama games.
Siyabuya lapho.
Siyabonile ama game ekushobile.
Yes.
Msholozi usubekile mfethu wakhuluma ngamajourney athi kubanzima. Sonke siphuma lapho.
Yes.
But senza kanjani ukuthi survive sigcine siwabona amadlela alihlaza, because it's not easy ukudlala emathimini angasekhaya ezakhele wona ngena coach angena bani.
Yes.
But right now kule generation inenhlanhla ukuthi kube nama academy and so forth. That's why ubona abantu belambe kangaka uthola umuntu usuka eMgababa uzojima ePinetown, and it don't make sense wena ongazi ukuthi
what is happening
kanjani. Awusithathe through kancane lapho ukuthi lawo ma challenges.
Yes. Firstly, as I was saying, I want to talk about these things because they are very important. Firstly, I remember when we start, we don't know how much data is. What is the data? We don't know what is data. So I wanna tell people that data assist. So if you don't mark a register of your boys, the age, and create a form where they come to training, they know we signed that we came. That is crucial.
Okay.
I want to talk about umuntu osembo, umuntu osemolweni, umuntu osemakhaya enkandla, a person that is there teaching these boys that we're not only wanting these boys ukuthi baba professional players. We want to have them on our data that we build men. We build abantu that are teachers, people that are lawyers, people. But how do you know that this boy passed by you if you don't capture data? Because we only talk about Mbogazi.
Yes.
All of us, and say Mbogazi came to me, but we don't talk about the person that is a teacher right now. A person that is also changing lives through football. We only talk about positives. We don't know that doctor is also a positive thing, that this person has achieved that. But in any of the development, we don't talk about that. We only talk about those that have made professional soccer. But in an actual factor, we know that in any situation that's in a development sector, it's only 1 or 2 or 3 boys that you can take to the next level in terms of football. But not all of them, they become professional players. So what do we do with those ones that are not professionals? are we just saying to us we only care about the reason why we're into football? We just want to capture those ones that are only gonna survive and play professional football.
Hey,
what about the person that ozongena kwi football abe videographer or video analyst or video or photographer or anything else?
There's a
because he came through football in those venues. So that's why I said today I'm only coming to say let's improve on data. Let's improve on the boy that we see is gonna make it. We think that is gonna make it. Let's create data for him. Yes, but let's create data for him so that it's easy for scouts. Because in nowadays, the problem we don't have. The problem is not talent in KZN.
Okay.
The problem is visibility of scouts and people that are coming into scouts and making sure that this talent doesn't go away.
Hey.
So that's why I was talking about that. Today I'm only coming to talk about a boy that is from Katlehong who goes to Jimiston, who goes to Johannesburg inside, who doesn't have money to go there, who would have money for today, and then next day is hoping that I'm gonna come. Those things. What are challenges that we're facing in terms of football? So we're coming here to teach that as much as we have so many challenges, but let's make sure that while government Akim Kako,
yes,
building roads, let's build humans. Let's build people that are going to change this world. Because that's the most important part, that in any infrastructure, it's Yakai, who are going to drive in that infrastructure if we don't have men and women who are going to take care of everything in South Africa. So we've got a challenge and we've got a big challenge because not any sponsor will come and sponsor a 17-year-old.
True.
That's the problem, Shamase, for me. Even abazali, what happens is that at 17 they start not to care about their boys. They will groom umfana from 12, 13, 14 and 15 at the most. After 16 and 17, when he enters high school and go further, they won't take care of that. They will never say, no, this boy is supposed to get this and get that and get this. It's a problem. There is no one who's sponsoring these boys. Nowadays, that's the vulnerable year. So that's my plea for today was that let's talk about football. Let's talk about data. So that umuntu lo semakhaya uzoqala manje abhale i-team list, abhale i-team registration yabadlali bakhe when they come to training, which is very important. Today, this person came, he spent 2 hours. And then on the game situation, when he goes to games, he spends 6 hours. So already this boy has got a platform, he's got a pathway. This week I'm doing this week I'm doing this. It's very important. Unlike ingane engazi saying what to do. So we are saying we want people to understand that it's not only about playing football. It's about creating a pathway for boys and girls to go further in their lives, whether it's a doctor, a nurse, but if he started, he's got into 80, I'll never lose. It's a direction where I'm going.
Sure lose. So
I think now if you remember Shamas, you can tell me, have you ever done any sports or maybe see someone in any area where now you will start filling the books when you are here, you are here.
So there's no
so how do we know that you have assisted this boy?
So it's in your claim, Martin.
Yes, because we don't know that this boy passed by you. Only evidence, the data will only back you up as a team. So that now, if you go into sponsors, you can then say this boy was coming from me because this is the things. These are pictures. These are things that are happening. If you have a video where you can clip these videos of these boys that you can see. It's very important. It will assist you in a very long run.
No guys, msholozo usekusho konke. Kahle nje lisamari uthi akhandwe labafana namantombazana into something else bigger than even sports. Ngabheka ukuthi lo muntu uyoba i professional player kuphela. There's a lot happening lapha ekuhlanganeni kweingane out from ekhaya kuma comfortable zone wabo. Also umsiza yena nawe ngokuthi if you involve more team like a media crew and other stuff, ukwazi ukcapture data and uprofile lengane ukuthi nayo mayisihambi nezinto ezothi na yami packaging ngisuka la ngibhekela.
For instance, when we talk about this, we have to talk about ukuthi umfana ngaba good here, and then suddenly when he goes to another place where now they becoming more on these things, then suddenly akasakwazi
perform.
He comes back. Language barrier is one of them, but most important, the environment that he will be in. He must be in a familiar environment. He mustn't see so much difference. I'm talking about now when it comes to his setup and everything that you do normally in a normal day. Because for instance, when you train to take sign and whatnot, you can, this is the first time I'm seeing this. These things must be there. It must be something that someone understands. They need to work on them as coaches, as managers, and as an abantu, so that we can improve la grassroots level.
Hey, why washaya khona, because that was my next question. Msholozo ukuthi sesikushilo lokhuyana ingane ke yona kubaleke ngani ku development level ukuthi sibatshwayeze lento yokutravel, because when they grow bahlala lapha ngenxa ama opportunities abawatholayo. Kulekelela because you see mangabe mhlambe thina siyodlala eAfrica, our national team and otherwise ama challenges esiba nawo as abantu, ukuthi mawulapha ya unama challenge ukuthi mhlawumbe experience ibullying nakhona eyamabomb, because they are trying to confuse you so that ungeke ufocus ku match. Mhlawumbe kubalengana nithi lengane travel since kade behambile nakulonyaka beshaya iPitoli.
We saying it's very important ngoba njengobosho it's beyond the bullying. It's a character building. Because you need to have character in football. In anything that you will do, you will find that things are not going your way. Do you give up? Or do you say, I must go again? It's very important, because if you saying manje this denganele ibingakwazi hambe anyway, it's easy for that person to say no, hey, this thing is not going my way, then eventually I give up. He not only give up in football, but he give up in life in total. So that's why you will find it's crucial that they travel, they meet and do different make different languages, bawazi, make friends and whatnot, so that umangabe wenzeka there are any challenges akwazi ukprosper. Because that's the important part. So manje, that's why we said we want to talk about these things so that we highlight them thoroughly, so that every coach also understand what this podcast is not about anything, but it's about them asking questions. We respond to questions, and we also have topics that will also educate. And nabo basifundis is very important, because as we coming here in this cold weather, there's ingane zobezijima today. When they train today, they are now learning to train. If someone is going to Russia, because Russia is something else, you will find it is 0 degrees and whatnot. So how are you going to train? How are you going to play? So if you're not familiar with any condition, then it's a problem. It's a problem, Shama said, not only for soccer players. It's also a problem for someone that is in a comfort zone. To know you can be a doctor or you can be a lawyer, and then you'll find it is too cold. You report and say, I'm not coming to work. I've got this excuse and this excuse. So this thing teaches you to say, no matter what happens, as long as God is waking me up, I need to fulfill and make sure that I go beyond my limits. So it's very important. That's what football it is taught us, and we are bringing these things back so that every coach that is new into football, that is coming in to learn into football, he will understand that it takes sacrifices, but it needs to be backed. Get data manje nowadays. Even if ingane is dlala, you must know how many goals he scored in a season, how many games did he play. Where can you get that if you record in your head?
That's true.
It's very important. It's very important.
And leyo nto iyakuvezela nokuthi ufocusile kuma individuals as much as ingane idlala as a team, kodwa uyayazi character le yamntwana nalo yamntwana,
nokuthi
how to
ihamba kanjani. True.
Yo ngibambile guys khona igama lesingungu la engilibambile kuthiwa i-character building yonke lento yenza ukuthi ukwazi ukutravela ukwazi ukumelana nama-weather conditions and so forth.
Yes.
Thank you so much Msholos for such information. Guys once again this is Spare. Thank you so much. Mhlawumbe manje sesizokwehlela cause ne-calendar selime kanje.
Yes.
Sesibheke phansi.
Yeah.
We have an upcoming program esijwayele ukuyenza yazisicelo yonobuhle.
Yes.
Miss. Awusithathe through kuyona kancane Msholos.
Yeah, initiative yami started because we want to make sure that not only football, as I'm saying.
Yes.
It's something that everyone must be able to say, hey, if I cannot play football, I must be a tennis player. If I'm not that, I must be this. So Miss Pantheon Super Cup give a platform, not to every child from 4 years old, just imagine, to 23, so that they can be trained how to walk, how to be, because I believe even in modeling, it's also give you a character that you know what you're capable of. So I believe that it's one of the things that are going to be happening on the 24th of October, which is then again we plea with everyone to get involved, sponsors get involved, those people that want to put their hand get involved, so that the boy and the girl can also feel part of the society, and it's very important that we also get people that are coming in to assist us in these things that we do. Yeah, we are very excited because last year we didn't do it, but this year we are saying no, it's a second year where we're gonna do it at our venue, Vele, New Germany Hall. So everyone is more than welcome to register. Everything is open up. We are very excited about it.
Hey, time flies. In my mind, it feels like yesterday.
Yes.
No, guys, please do come in. I'm a pricing account. Send you a structured.
People will gonna put them on our podcast. They will see what we have put in place. But definitely, a lot of goodies are there.
More programs, guys. Shall I own my fans? But there's a lot. So this initiative is so big. Singagcinileke lapho Msholos athina abalungiselelo Super Cup Junior.
Yeah, we are trying. We've got another one. The big one is coming, but we've got this one on the 31st of October to this 1st of November. We're gonna be there. Christianberg. Everyone is more than welcome to come. We are saying to people again, play a hand. A hand is very important. Once you save 600 kids, it means you have saved so many lives, because these kids are going to be fathers, are going to be mothers, are going to be role models. So mean that if we've got 600 kids that are knowing what to do in terms of their lives, we are not only saving an individual, but we are saving the generation to come, because the iyachalwa lento imbewu. So when utshala imbewu awutshala umuntu oyedwa, utshala there and again. So we play with everyone to try and assist us. Ngoba we can have so much that is going on, but without any help, it's important. So that's why we are here at Spare as well, to always encourage and say support to Spare by coming in, and because they are really assisting us in a lot of things that we try to implement.
That's true. Msholos inamandla. Please guys, do come through. Say dinga izinto ezifana nama fruits. So if you do have some business and you wanna lay a hand, ama orange especially for the kids, kube nalapha ka first aid guys, I think medication ukuthi lapha amasebelimazene bekwazi ukuba grant. I think those basics, they will go a long way. On the 31st of October.
31st of October to the 1st. To the 1st. Clermont Christianberg Stadium. Silabo Pagat. Kids are going to feel so important to play in a community stadium, and it's cool. I believe they will enjoy. I believe they will enjoy, because it's one of the things that we're trying to implement with Abadlale Stadium, because this stadium is built for them. They must find an opportunity like this, like the Pinetown Super Cup main. They must make sure that they play, they take part. We have got something in pipeline. We want them to play in the stadium. We want them to feel important, because I'm a stadium they must be encouraged this is possible. So manje mangabe study Pinetown Super Cup sisakhona, it's very important. I mean for them, for parents to witness and see, not only to go to stadium to watch Kaizer Chiefs and Pirates, just come and watch your child. It's very important because these things must be done at the grassroots level. And it's very important, and we'll make sure we'll do all we can to implement and make sure that we try by all means to make these things possible.
Hey, Sholos, yami yakho eyethu sonke uDecember.
Atishaya boy. Atishaya boy. So yeah.
Sibheke kwenkulu manje.
Hectic kakhulu. Hectic kakhulu.
I've seen you up and down.
Hectic kakhulu. I think Aiki team ingafuni ukuba part of this. This is something else. This year. It's something else. And we're saying to God, we are only uploading the work that is doing, and the people that are getting involved and coming in, we are grateful. We're saying to those that have not come as yet, please come join. It's a journey. You are not only saving us, but you are putting it out there, even your brand. To be known to those brands, let's grow together. It's very important. The Pinetown Super Cup is running for 11th year, and we are saying it's gonna run until God says no. Isafanele dlale ngoba we are not itimana. It is journey yakhe, and his name will be glorified through this tournament. I mean, like we can only see the growth, and we're saying to ourselves, what an achievement, but uthakakaphelele.
Hey Msholos, nginawo ngisho amazwi for that one. It's too big, and thanks to everyone, guys. South Africa yonke ngeke ngithi Pinetown because iqale as Pinetown, but abantu abafikayo amagumbini ethu wonke, all provinces, guys, Free States and whatnot. This is so big.
We can only be grateful.
This is so big.
I think we are wrapping it on the 31st of August this month.
Okay.
We will be wrapping everything. We will be announcing teams. We will be announcing teams. Or I think on the 2nd or on the 3rd on our podcast. It will be first on our podcast, all the teams that are going to take part. And then we're promising that on the 2nd we're going to do that. And then depending when is the date for our podcast, because we always do it on Thursdays. So on Thursday, let's check the date on which date so that people can know exactly when to look out for teams that are going to take part. Let's see August. Okay, we're going to be announcing on the 3rd of September all the teams that are taking part in this year Pinetown Super Cup on the 3rd of September. And then the draw will be announced soon as well. When will be the draw? But the main one, on the 3rd of September, we're going to be announcing the teams. And then after that, we'll then announce the Junior Cup. Because we felt as we're closing the main Super Cup, the Junior one is still open. And then we are still open up until to date. And then after that, we will be closing again.
Okay.
Yeah.
No.
Uyayibona ukuthi close kanjani close enkulu sivule encane. So we're saying ukuthi le enkulu because it's been open for a very long time, and even this one we are going to close it very soon. It's just that we said 31st and 1st of November. We still have teams that are still in junior level, but this one by us with so we're saying on the 3rd of September we will be announcing all the teams that are taking part this year in the Pinetown Super Cup eqala ngomhla ka12 kuya ngomhla ka16 kuDecember.
Hey, nokuzoshuba kakhulu, guys. I think izomela sinika ama-updates almost every session esizoba nayo manje because selidumele emasumpeni sho njalo mangaphosisi.
True.
Msholozi kunehlelo la sinalo futhi again elibizwa ngokuthi Shadow Night sebesinalo last week. Elihambe kahle kakhulu thanks to parents. Mhlawumbe ngifisa ukuchecka la with the team ukuthi I remember there was a plan ezayo ukuthi izoba nini the next Shadow we need to tell
sizobatshela abantu because we're waiting for this guy ukuthi akwachazele thoroughly ukuthi what is shadow night because mina ngayichaza shadow night abayizwa let's talk about umuntu wala ozoyichaza shadow night in the next episode and then after that sizobe sesibatshela ukuthi izoba nini lenye i shadow night which I feel ukuthi everyone want to be in that space will then have a clear understanding on what is it that we're doing and why we're doing such and then so ikhuluma ngayo I probably next week in our next episode and then we'll clarify everything and then isikhulume nangokubaleka kwe nutrition next week nutrition ukudla what is it, why is it important to have a good in nutrition usakhula you will find that there are a lot of kids that we have discovered that baba nama high blood pressure abanye bakhona banozinko shodayo while they are still young so we want to make sure that parents understand in nutrition as early as possible so next episode is nutrition
zakhala like I bafethu ngeke singaphili siphila ngenkani because lawo ma guides iwona enza ukuthi singayitholi sesinenkinga emzimbeni sothi uyajima but kunezinto futhi ezikufailayo so yeah there's a lot but lonke yanamhlanje guys episode ibithi character building yona isifunde ngisibambile leso kade ichaza lapho umsholozi kwi development let's travel asiphume ema comfort zone and ukuba involved kuma sports akusho ukuthi usiyodlala ama sports kuphela it's giving you ukuthi ukwazi ukuyimela nala ubuthi uzoya khona because you do have other career choices msholo sesigoqa ake sibuyele kulama professional asekhaya
ngizothanda ukuthi kubalaleli I know yobe isizini asikayiqali kahle nathi lana kwi Danko Disc podcast kusathi we just made into yokuthi ama team azohamba kanjani unfortunately it didn't go our way but you know football how it is so right now we are looking forward to the next games but let's upload and say kunamhlanje Kaizer Chiefs is number 1 on the log
and ayidlali namuntu
is on number 1 on the log Kaizer Chiefs we say good luck to them on the weekend and Sundowns may the best team wins but I will say by looking at things kulo games in particular I will say kubathandi bebhola nabalandeli bebhola Kaizer Chiefs ne Sundowns is going to be a very very small margin if it happens I think it will be a 1-1 draw by the look of things it's going to be a 1-1 draw where Chiefs will score first and then Sundowns will start and coming in but it's a very very small margin
Msholozi thank you so much mucabanga Msholozi lapha kwi final ye MTN ngoba bazobhekana khona
final MTN right now kusasenzima asike sithi sizobona but I foresee ukuthi izoba khona iSundowns
because
maybe
it's
Sundowns and Pirates I think it's the possibilities there that they can meet in the finals I think it's
possible okay no siyabonga kakhulu guys I'm your boy King Shamase iDanko Disc podcast let's meet again on another exciting episode Sholozi we're signing out
siyabonga bafethu keep on listening to iDanko Disc podcast Take Two TV sisonke isicelo sport siyabonga kakhulu
thank you so much
because it's very cold. The kids are literally shaking, but at least they got a new jersey, so the kids are excited to, show off their skills with the new jersey. So yeah, we're just hoping for the best. We want to start strong so that we are more comfortable during the next games. So yeah, I'm excited and I'm ready.